Welcome back to the show. Let's talk to Mike van Dulken, the Head of Research at Accendo Markets. Morning to you, Mike.
Morning.
Let's talk about cable, Great British Pound against the US dollar. Fundamentally, we've had sort of people come on, they're very bullish of cable, saying it's underperformed. The technicians are saying it's going to parity, and it strikes me it's a very complex looking chart.
It is.
And as the fund managers said in the FT recently, they have no reason to buy it or sell it because it's too blooming difficult.
I think there's so many conflicting issues, a little like we talked about the FTSE earlier. At the moment there, you could easily identify a nice rising channel. However, it's only valid if you can get above falling highs resistance that goes back almost 2 months. And we need some progress, or either ignoring the issue of the EU settlement bill to either propel us higher.
Yep.
I think at the moment the FTSE it was higher this morning on the prospect of Theresa May being given the green light to say fine, we'll pay a bit more if we can move on to the transition. That would kind of unlock us from this period of inertia. If we hold our ground and say no, not at all, we're not paying, and waste yet more time, it could be the architect for cable to go even lower. Perversely, that would probably fuel the FTSE higher.
But what are clients tending to do? Are they basically ignoring this contract and finding easier contracts to trade?
I think it's having to move into very short periods and identifying, trading this on a 4-hourly or a daily. You need a significant breakout to have confidence that you're going to make up significant ground. Right here we're trading within, what's that, 1 cent, just about. You'd need to see a break of 133 to be, I think, very bullish. You probably want to see a break of 132 to turn very bearish. It's a very difficult position to be in right now, unless, as I said, you're very confident in that rising channel from about the 10th of November. If you're confident that that will prevail, then yes, there's upside to 133.
Well, you could say there's higher highs and higher lows on that short-term trend, but
yes,
again, break of that trend line, technically speaking, you think, wow, I wouldn't want to be long here in any shape or form.
It's a difficult one to trade at the moment, and I think it all really does come down to politics. And I think, as you were speaking to Matt earlier, it's not just on the Brexit settlement bill, it's decisions like the European banks to move their clearing operations. It's not exactly a vote of confidence, and it kind of takes us further to the ultimate outcome of Brexit not quite being what everyone really voted for.
Mike, as always, thank you very much indeed.